What's up, guys? It's me back live and not so crusty. Today's video I'll be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. So I've already washed my face in the shower. I find that way much quicker for me. And then I follow up with the Bird Bees Sensitive Toner. I just got this from my Myers. I'm sure it's probably at Target or Walmart as well. So I apply it with my cotton balls. I like cotton balls better than cotton rounds like most people. And yeah. And I typically use about 2 to 3 cotton balls to wipe my face. And this toner has aloe vera in it, and I love that because it's so good. So I'm not sure how important it is to put on sunscreen at night, but I do because I might skip it in the morning, so you know, I don't know. We just gonna put something on tonight, okay? So I just spray it on my hand and rub it on my face, work that in. And then I have this overnight time repair retinol oil or serum, and I just got that from the local TJ Maxx. I find that all the oils there and serums and whatever is very reasonable, and if you just want to try something out, test it out, that's the best place to go, okay? So yeah, I just put a little dab here, there, and I rub it in. I know some people are like really finicky about putting the little dipper, little thingy, little syringe, whatever, on your face, but I always clean my face before I put any serum on, and I'm the only person who uses it, so it does fine for me. I don't get a whole lot of breakouts from it, so yeah. And don't mind my, well, y'all can't see him, but my son was trying to get out. You can't never have time to yourself, okay? He's hilarious. So yeah, normally whatever I have left over on my hands or my face, I rub it on my neck. Gotta get your neck too, okay? So yeah, this is my nighttime skincare routine. If you guys are interested, go ahead and hit subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.